Hello, friends. It's Miss Dina, and we're going to be talking about plants. Okay, friends, so we are on day 16 of our water study. And today's question of the day is, how do you take care of plants? So I have a picture here of some of my favorite plants. These are Gerber daisies, and I like them a lot. I like regular Shasta daisies too. They're just so pretty. So plants need a few things to survive, just like we need water and food and sleep. For us to survive, plants need a few things too. They need this. They need sun. They need soil. And they need water. So you have to water your plant to make it grow. So when you pour the water, I'm going to pretend there's a plant in here. When you pour the water in, the plant absorbs or takes in. So if you look here, and you pour the water in to the soil down here into the pot, over time, it slowly absorbs or takes in the water. Now, down here where you can't see are what we call roots. And those roots get really, really thirsty. So remember how we talked about being thirsty yesterday in our video? Well, plants get really thirsty too. So they have to have water. So you pour some water in here, and over time, the roots will drink up the water, will soak it up into the plant, and keep it healthy, keep it alive. So now you want to make sure when you water plants, especially when it gets hot out, that you don't water when it's really, really hot. That actually can harm the plants and cause some problems. So you want to water when it's cool out. So first thing in the morning or late in the evening if it cools off enough. I know in those hot summer days, sometimes it doesn't seem like it gets very cool, but it's best to water when it's cooler. So I'm going to put up our words. So we have watering can or regadera in Spanish, and we talked about absorbs or absorbe in Spanish. So let me know in the comments below what you think happens to the water. What happens to the water after you pour it into the pot, okay? Now, different plants need different amounts of water. So some plants need a lot of water, and some plants need very little water because they store the water. So your succulents and your cactus plants, they kind of store the water in the plant. So, and they're really good at that. Like other plants, they just kind of drink it and it goes away, and then they need another drink and they absorb it and it goes away. So make sure that you read there comes a little label, like a little, almost like a little stick thing when you get a plant, and it tells you how much water that you need for that plant. So make sure to ask a grown-up how much water that plant might need before you water it. So you don't water it too much or don't give it enough water, okay? And some plants need pots with holes in them and some don't, just to kind of drain that extra water. So it just depends on the plant. So you need to make sure you know your plants. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I am excited because it is almost springtime, and springtime means we get to start planting plants. And I'm so excited. Miss Dina has some daisy seeds that she's going to plant this year. So I'm super excited about that in my new house. And I'd love to see your pictures of your plants that you plant this spring. I'm not sure if you can post pictures in the comments. I think you can, but if you can, I would love to see what you plant. Maybe you plant vegetables in your garden or fruit, strawberries or something like that. So I would love to see what you are growing in your garden or flower garden. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below and hit the all notification to get notified when there are new videos. And I will see you on the next video.